Let's walk through a few simple steps to replace an outlet device. There are two basic types of outlet devices, or aerators: standard non-vandal resistant aerators and vandal resistant aerators. The latter requires a special tool, which comes standard, to remove and attach these parts, while standard aerators can be removed and replaced by hand. To remove a vandal resistant aerator, insert the vandal resistant aerator key and line it up inside the slot, as shown. To install the new aerator, use the key to tighten in place. For non-vandal resistant aerators, simply turn counterclockwise to remove. No key or tool is required. Then install the new aerator by tightening clockwise.